Yeah, thanks Jagan for this workshop. This was really wonderful. I have invested lakhs of my rupees, but I couldn't achieve what I could get in these 5 days.
Thank you so
Number
much.
of number of domains I have purchased, but only today I could see my one-page website working. Otherwise, I have failed miserably a number of places. I have bought number of funnels. For example, I won't take the name, but invested a lot of money over there. But I was not able to get the result. Now I know the reason was that because everything at one place systematically was not available. The LMF access page which you gave us, everything over there, and you can use it conveniently. You have each links available over there. Just click and do it. So a step-by-step execution which you made us to do, that was really helpful. And the price which we paid is like a very tiny amount of which we paid. It accounts for a lot of amount. So what we paid, we got 10x in return, 100x in return. That's what I should say.
I'm really humbled that Avinash.